In this video, we're going to register on Autodesk, download and install our Revit trial version. So to start off, you can search for Revit on Google or any browser that you're using. Let's open the first link that shows up. Now here, if you like to change the language, you'll find it on the top right here. In our case, we're going to go with English. Now, Revit is a bit expensive and the price ranges from region to region. So if you'd like to go ahead and purchase the full version, you can do so from here. In our case, we're going to download and install the trial version of Revit. So click on download free trial here. Now, Revit offers us 4 options. If you'd like to use the free version and if you're a student at a university, you can select the education option here and then click on educational community. Now from this page, we can select Revit here. You can select student if you're a student at a university. If you're an educator or school IT administrator, you can select the other options here, but in most cases, it would be student. So let's click on select here and let's click on continue. Now here you would need to add your account details. Once you've added all your details and clicked on submit, you would receive an email from Autodesk, post which you can use Revit for free for 1 year. Now let's go back and click on download free trial again. Now, if you're a general user and not a student, in most cases, you will need to select home use. So let's select home use here. Click on next. Now you'll need to add your email here and click on continue. Now, if you have an existing account with Autodesk, you can go ahead and sign in here. But in our case, we're going to go ahead and click on create account as we are creating a new account on Autodesk. Now here you need to add in your details and click on create account. You'll receive an email as shown. Make sure to verify your email and then sign into your Autodesk account. Post which you can add your valid email here, which you just created, and click on continue. Now you'll need to add in some more details that Autodesk requires and click on complete to submit. You'll also need to verify a phone number. And now you should be able to install the Revit software. So go ahead and click on install here. Now, in case you get lost in the process, what you can do is you can sign in to your Autodesk account and then go to products and services and you will find Revit here. So click on install. Generally, when you click on install, it would download a file and you'll need to open this exe file, post which a window like this shows up. All right, so here you can click on install. I would highly recommend that you install it in the default directory as it would be easier to install the plugins and more. So I'm going to keep it in my C drive and click on install. Now you'll need to wait for a couple of minutes for Revit to get installed. It's about 10 to 15 GB. So it might take quite a while. All right, so you can see that Revit is complete. And in most cases, you will need to also restart your computer to finish installing. Great, so Revit has been installed and we can open it up to check if it's working. So you can double click on Revit here, 2026. You'll need to wait for a bit. All right, so if this is your first time opening Revit, you'll also need to add in some information here. So which industry you belong to and what is your role, or you can also skip this window. Click on save and you can click on continue. So voila, so that's how simple it is to install Revit. In the next video, we'll create our new project and I'll talk about the UI in Revit. So I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.